Hey everyone, it's November 23rd. Just wanted to do a quick little rundown of the past 2 days of price action here and update our trade plan. So on Thursday, we had this price action mapped out two scenarios. So we're looking for a flush down to this 3-day VWAP, okay, and then a reclaim to get back above daily VWAP, right? We had this flush, reclaim to get back above the daily VWAP, right, with the stop under this low or this low for a rally into the election VWAP. We're monitoring for this reclaim to the election VWAP. Okay, failed to do that. Traded up into Friday. Continued to hold the month-to-date VWAP, and the 2-day VWAP you could see was really the area of demand. And then we started to push this up, get tight between the year-to-date VWAP high up here, the election VWAP right here. So you can see now that brings us to this trading range really between the daily VWAP. Let's get rid of this VWAP here. The daily VWAP, the daily VWAP, the election VWAP, and the year-to-date high VWAP. So once we started to reclaim that 2-day VWAP, hold the daily VWAP, you could see the energy building at the year-to-date VWAP high, election VWAP, and the daily VWAP. And we have the aftermarket hours just posted on right now. This isn't a forecast or a prediction, but so far now we have this potential reclaim of that election VWAP. And instead of running from here and running 1.76%, trying to reclaim it and go, now we ran up to it again, only with 1%, and now we were able to reclaim this daily VWAP and run up to it again with only just over 1/3%. So now that we get this 1/3% with the reclaim, now perhaps this could give us the energy to give us that very similar push that we just talked about. What was that? 1.75. So maybe we get our 1.75 off VWAP, and that would actually bring us to that 513, 512 area that we were kind of looking at. And that would bring us back up into this previous high. And then perhaps you could see the mapped out situation. That's when we get some profit taking, could reclaim this whole area as it acted as resistance and then could act as support. So it's just a little update just on the QQQ. Hopefully this was helpful.